Hey there, Coyote Swap fans. Got a special request, so I'm going to do it. Got a request to prove, put it on video, put it out there for everybody to look at. Yeah, you can do a Coyote Swap with a manual transmission in an F-150, and it'll work. So what we have here is a Gen 1 Coyote swapped into a 2000 F-150, short cab XL flare side bed. This truck was a V6, and as you can see, we've got a stock cluster gauge right there. And as you can see, temperature, voltmeter, oil pressure, gas gauge, tachometer, it all works. And we've got the speedometer wired in through a Dakota digital box. Actually, a couple of Dakota digital boxes. I'll show you that. So the one on the right over there is an STA 1000, and the one on the left is a BT 100. I think it's like SGI or something, SG BT 100. And so what we did is we came out of the truck's original ECU with the speedometer lead. We went into the Dakota Digital STA 1000, and we have that set. The STA 1000 will let you adjust up to 20% for your speedometer range. That's currently set at the maximum range of 20%, and we came out of the output of that into the BT100 interface. The BT100 will let you adjust up to 200%, and so we came actually we came out of the we have a couple inputs here, so I'll walk through a little bit cleaner for you so it makes better sense. So we've got a plug down there. I don't know if you saw that or not. It's plugged into our OBD port, and that actually feeds the STA 1000. That's taking its reading from the Coyote ECU, the speed sensor in the transmission, the MT82 6-speed. There you go. And we got a man pedal down there on the floor, so just what I wanted. So we're coming out of the speed sensor from the transmission from the Coyote, from the Coyote ECU through the OBD. Into the STA 1000. We're coming out of the STA 1000 into the BT 100. We're making adjustments to speedometer sensitivity with both of those. And hey, let me show you something that's stupid cool. I just absolutely love it. Dakota Digital has an app, and I just opened it up here. That's what it looks like right there. And you see that where it says DDX20DE SGI 100BT. That's that second Dakota digital box right there, the one on the left. And it just wirelessly connects over Bluetooth. Look at that. Setup and speed. And from here, so you got to have a GPS speedometer that reads right there for you. So as you drive, that'll increment, and then you can adjust your sensitivity up or down with the plus and minus buttons right there while you're driving in real time, watching your speedometer wind up. So really cool stuff. Makes it super easy to do this by yourself. Piece of cake, man. I'm sold on it. So we're just gonna go for a quick little drive. Like I said, I'm by myself here. Be great if I had a wingman here to run the camera for me, and because I am doing a man pedal and shifting gears and steering and braking, hey, you're gonna get best I can do at this point. So let's go for a ride. And you'll also see that the odometer is going to increment as well too, so that all works. So here we go. And we're reading over here on this as well. So we're right about 20 miles an hour, which is what our reading over here. All the vitals are good. So we're going to wait on traffic here so we don't get in trouble. And we're just going to do a quick around the block with this, let you see. So my name's Mark, by the way, and I've got a YouTube channel out there. It's called Island Joe. where I've got some other videos. And if you go out and search my channel, you'll find the build series on this. So our speedometer numbers are matching up with our GPS. And so I really owe a big shout out to Nathan Hensley with Lethal Nate Performance. He's the one that really kind of talked me through getting this working. He did my wiring harness for this as well. So shout out to Nate, and he's a great guy. Cool thing about Nate is not only does he give you the tech tips and do the wiring and stuff like that, but he'll stick with you. So if you're having problems with your build or your electronics or whatever, he'll stick with you. You can text him, message him, email him. Shoot, he'll probably even call you back. Man, he's helped me out a lot. So good guy. Lethal Nate Performance, Wiring and Performance. And you can find him on Facebook, and you can find him on YouTube. So we'll give you another little run on the gauges here, and then we'll call it a video. Waiting for the red light. Yeah, Texas traffic. So anyway, I hope y'all are having a good Monday evening. Yeah, this truck started out life as a 4.2 V6. We've lowered it a couple inches, 2 inches all the way around. New interior, track bars, a bunch of work to it. You can find all that on my YouTube channel for the build. So, the lesson here is don't let anybody tell you that you can't run an MT82 6-speed manual or any other manual and not be able to get your gauges working, because you absolutely can. So, alright guys, I'm going to call it a video. Hope you enjoyed this. Go check out my channel, like some videos, and catch Lethal Nate's channel, Nathan Hensley. Good guy, you'll learn a lot. So, alright. Y'all have a good evening. It's been great talking with you. See you on the next one.